Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
This slide shows the basic image. Network usage for Flutter apps. Use image. Network https:// width 300 height 200 fit box fit. Cover to load images. You can pass headers for authentication or custom agents. Set cache width or cache height to create a scaled cached image on device. Assign loading builder to show a placeholder while the network fetch runs. Use frame builder or fade in duration to animate the final image into view. These steps let you display remote, handle errors proactively to keep UI stable when network images fail. Provide an error builder to display a fallback widget on load failure. In the loading builder, show a circular progress indicator and a simple blurred placeholder image. Implement a manual 30-second timeout with a future and cancel the request if exceeded. Inspect HTTP status codes and response headers before decoding bytes to avoid crashes. Show a descriptive retry button that triggers set state and attempts a fresh fetch. Optimize network images to improve app performance and reduce data usage. Use cached network image or Flutter Cache Manager to persist images locally and reduce bandwidth. Resize images on the server or set cache width of 600 to limit memory and decoding cost. Precache images with precache image before showing them in critical UI for smooth display. Use fade in image for a lo-fi placeholder to reduce perceived jank during loads. Monitor memory and clear cache selectively when storage exceeds thresholds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.